Welcome back. Now news from sports. The Reach Builders All Goa major ranking badminton tournament concluded on Sunday. Chinmay Kamath and Anushka Kuvelkar won 3 titles each in the competition. The tournament was organized by the Goa Badminton Association at the indoor stadium in Kampal.
The 5-day badminton tournament eventually came to an end on Sunday. A total of 7 finals were played on Sunday from the 13 categories. Chinmay Kamath and Anushka Kuvelkar were in the limelight for their outstanding performances. Chinmay Kamath won the finals of the under-16 boys singles and doubles and also the under-19 boys doubles. Rahul Chandrasekhar was Chinmay's partner in the doubles events.
Yeah, I was very proud because I won and all. 3 games. I wasn't expecting to win in under 19, but I don't know how I won, but because of my partner. In the last 3 days, he was really excellent, and because of that, I won under 19.
Okay. In the singles event, what was the advantage for you? You felt?
Singles event, my advantage was that I had height. Then my smashes were good, and he was too short. And on the net, he was good. My advantage is like my tosses were going good and all, but in the second game I totally lost my concentration and came back with it in my third game.
Yeah, it was a really good experience, and as he was saying, I had to cover up for him for a few points, and because of that we could win the game.
Meanwhile, Anushka Kuvelkar emerged victorious in the under-16 and under-19 girls singles and also the under-16 doubles. Pranjal Chimulkar partnered Anushka in the under-16 doubles.
Anushka, 3 events you won, definitely you must be feeling very good about that.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying this moment a lot, and I've been winning this championship for last 3-4 years. I'm happy to win this year also.
Okay. You won 2 single events, that is under 16 girls singles and under 19 girls singles. How was it in those 2 finals?
It was pretty good. It was pretty easy, and I enjoyed it a lot. I enjoyed playing with 2 different opponents, and it was good.
Okay. You also won the under 16 doubles. That was with Pranjal. How was it gelling with her?
It was very nice. She's a nice partner. I enjoy playing with her every time. So we do it good combination.
Okay. Our sports reporter from Panaji, Patterson Fernandez, with video journalist Sushant Pad.
The Nokia Indoor Football Fever 2010 has received good response. 32 corporate teams are participating in the tournament. The fun-filled football event is being organized by Radioactive Entertainment at Don Bosco Oratory in Panji.
The football tournament, played on the lines of futsal, is turning out to be a complete source of entertainment on weekends. The 32-team competition will carry on for another 4 weekends. Besides the loaded football enthusiasm, various other entertainment programs have also been lined up.
This is obviously a football, it's a short format football tournament. It's played the world over, there are different formats played. These are more fun formats. It's not an official format of football. But the whole objective of this is to bring the corporates together and give the corporate executives, the people who normally are working in white collar jobs and don't really get the time to go on the field. So it's an opportunity, to gel with the entire football frenzy that has absolutely captured the whole world. And number 2 is to also give them an opportunity to probably do a health check of sorts to see how fit they are to play in the game. The way the format is designed is it's just 10 minutes, so we're not overexerting anybody. It's 10 minutes aside, 5 players in a team, and of course the rest of the football rules remain the same, except that you cannot lift the ball over a certain height. There are 32 teams that have participated from companies all across Goa, and yesterday we saw 8 teams battle it out, 4 came out victorious. Today another 8 will battle, and then we'll have the other 16 teams playing the next weekend, and the winners will continue to play the weekend after that, and then the finals will coincide with the finals of the World Cup, which is on the 11th of July.
Our sports reporter from Panji, Patterson Fernandez, with video journalist Sushant Pad.
Now a look at the headlines once again. BJP gearing up for 2012 assembly elections, criticizes government for failure on political and economic front. Travel and Tourism Association criticizes government for lack of planning and execution. President Gaurish Don said tourism should be government's priority. North Goa taxi owners demand pension plan for taxi drivers. Association says don't scrap permits for 800cc vehicles. Rich Builders Badminton Tournament comes to an end. Chinmay Kamath and Anushka Kuvelkar win 3 titles each. And Nokia Indoor Football Fever generates good response. 32 corporate teams fighting for top honours. Father's Day is a day honouring fathers and celebrating fatherhood. The man who toils day and night for his beloved family. He is a bread earner, one who is very supportive, inspiring and encouraging. Yeah, sometimes he shouts, restricts, but finally loves his children the most. Today a tribute to this man. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. I take your leave with this note. Take care and goodbye.
Sometimes when it's late at night, I think about my dad. I just want him to know that I love him so. He is still my daddy. He's the only one I own. He is still my daddy. Guess I just wanna thank him for it all.